Broil King's Crown Series offers performance, versatility, and great value. Broil King's legendary cooking system gives you the ability to cook almost anything on your grill and in any style you desire. Each component of the cooking system is designed and engineered for one purpose: great barbecue flavor. All Crown models come with high-quality stainless steel dual-tube side-ported burners. These powerful tube-and-tube burners play a key role in providing efficient heat through more than 120 ports. Each burner has 2 ribbons of flame for a total of 6 or 8 rows across the entire surface of the grill. This means you get more flame and more heat per square inch, and the ultimate in even heat distribution. The stainless steel Flavor Wave cooking system provides superior heat distribution across the entire surface of the grill and protects the burners. Drippings that fall under the Flavor Wave are instantly vaporized. The flavor created through this process infuses back into the food for that unmistakable barbecue flavor. Broil King's heavy-duty cast iron grids retain heat for great cooking results. One side is pointed to give you perfect grill marks, while the other side is grooved to capture juices for continuous basting while you cook. Adjusting the angle of your Broil King grids, you'll be able to channel extra juices to the grease tray and avoid flare-ups while you grill. When combining Broil King's dual-tube burners, Flavor Wave cooking system, and professional-grade cooking grids, you have the luxury of utilizing the entire cooking surface for intense searing. Or you have the ability to use a section for high-heat grilling. Made from premium cast aluminum, the cookbox provides excellent heat retention and long-lasting durability. It's designed to allow even heat and precise control. Linear flow valves with 180-degree control knobs give you infinite heat control, allowing you to set your grill to the perfect temperature for searing, roasting, or slow cooking. Here are some other great features available on Crown models. All Crown models come equipped with a Deluxe Thermometer to show precise temperature. The easy-to-lift lid is available in black porcelain enameled finish. The stylish cast aluminum end caps provide added durability and heat retention. The painted steel side shelves come with tool hooks to keep all of your grilling essentials close at hand. The shelves are designed to fold down for easy storage in tight spaces. All Crown models come with 4 durable locking casters which firmly lock your Broil King grill in place. Broil King uses high-quality stainless steel for many components. All other steel is zinc-coated and further protected by an epoxy paint that is baked on through a powder coat process. This premium triple coat process provides superior rust protection. The Crown Series is backed by a great warranty. This ensures that your grill will perform for many years to come. Proudly built in North America and built to last. The Crown Series by Broil King. Great barbecues every time.